Hello, hello, this is Sharifa. Just nailed it. Today, you're not going to believe it, but I am playing with some Polygel from Your Sugar. If I get this thing off the end of it. I got this off of Amazon. I will do my very best to leave the link below, but I can't promise it. This is very, very reasonably priced. I got two, the 30 millimeters, 1.1 ounce, 1.0 fluid ounces. This is in 04, which is a pink. Let me show you. There's a white, but I am using the pink. Ooh, it's hard to squeeze out. I got carpal tunnel, so it makes it a little bit difficult for me. That's why I have this to help push it up in the tube. Makes it a whole lot easier for me. I've been playing with this all night. I've had it on, but a couple of the nails, I can't keep them to stay on. Like, I'm filing them and they're breaking off the tips of them, so I'm a little confused on that as of why. And considering since it's like, I don't know, 5 o'clock in the morning, there's nobody up for me to ask. So I'm just winging it here. I have dehydrated my nails. I have this one on. This one stayed so far. I did do a set on my flexi hand, which turned out really, really nice. Let me show you. These turned out really nice. Really nice. Really like this a lot. So I'm going to try to recreate this on my hands. I have filed, I have buffed, I have dehydrated. Next, I'm going to put a base coat on my ring finger. I am using Model 1's base coat. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to cure. And then we'll start on our journey here with Polygel on the Just Nailed It channel. You've seen me do it here first. Actually, Princess Diana and me were practicing last night. She was walking me through the steps, because this is new for me. And when I wanted to do a video, I wanted to be able to at least look like I know what I'm doing. I'm not a pro by any means. I mean, I've got less than 12 hours under my belt. 2-3 full sets though that I've been playing with overnight. So I'm just gonna cure this and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. I have put the base coat on. I have dried it. Forgot to get it out of my sidewalls though. Whoops. Well, now we are going to go in for one of our nails. I've got my dual-ended spatula and brush. My solution. I'm using rubbing alcohol because the slip solution that comes with this is from Your Sugar. This is childproof cap. Guess what? This child can't get into it. I can get the cap to come up a little bit, like where it'll kind of spill out maybe a little bit, but it just keeps spinning. I keep trying to push it down and get it. I got carpal tunnel. I've tried. I've even had someone else try for me. Couldn't get into it. So I got 2 bottles I can't get into. So we've got a trusty old rubbing alcohol, dual-ended brushing spatula, paper towel, my forms. So we're just going to go and I'm going to do one nail on camera for you here and do the other ones off and come back on so that we're not into a 45-minute video. Keep in mind, please, this is my first time. Well, this will be my 4th set. Can't say it'll be my first time on camera doing this for you. So yeah, I had a lot of fun playing with this. Me and Princess D, like I said, we were playing with it last night on the phone. Pumpkin and I were texting back and forth because she was all excited for me. And I was having a lot of fun. This is, you know, how do I say this? I don't know, it's just a lot of fun. So, oops, whoops. I'm gonna make a mess already. I've got my form here with my Polygel on it. I'm going to dab, dab, dab. Get this going where I want it to go. I keep trying for my squared nails, but it's not been happening for me so far. I keep ending up with like this shape here. I really want my squared off nails. I really do. So I'm going to line this up with my nail and see how long we got going. I think this is okay. I think this is good. Just gonna like play with this a little bit more. Lay it down here. I'm gonna take this at a 90-degree angle. Push it up my nail and into place and press. This does have to be cured. I have a UV LED lamp. I will be curing this for 60 seconds. At this point, you know, I don't have any clamps. That's what I'm stumbling for here. Take your brush, go along your cuticle area and your sidewalls and remove any polygel that has seeped out of the edges. Can you see me down here? So do that. Get this in place again because it's going to pop off on you. I'm going to hold it down on the table here. And I am going to dab, dab, dab. Get this in place. I'm going to hold it in place just a little bit longer. I don't want the end of my nail too thin because I've already had this on once and it came off. It feels like this is sliding off my nail. So yeah, I've had, you know, a little bit of a hard time with it staying on my nail. So I'm going to cure this and I will be right back. Alrighty, I am back. I have got all 3 nails done with the Polygel. They are in the lamp, curing for the last few seconds. Did the tops and the bottoms. Cleaned up around my cuticle on the sidewall with the alcohol to make sure there was no overflow, as I would call it. When they come out, they are supposed to cool off, I was told. So we're going to let that happen. And they are done. Here are my forms. Here are my nails. We're going to see how this turns, and we're going to let this cool off. Not that they're not already cool to me, but you know, I'm not the professional. Dee's the one that told me what to do. She is the professional, and I can't wait. I mean, I got a file, so I was worried about them breaking again. It really bums me out because I could have had this done a while ago, earlier tonight, but the chips kept breaking off on me, so not too sure if I didn't cure it long enough. I'll talk to her later on today, and we will see how things go. So, I wish I could remember what nail I started with. I think it was this one. So I'm going to try and pop this bad boy off. You grab it by the tip and kind of twist. And there we go. There is my nail. If you can see it better down here. I don't know where you can see it better at. I think that turned out really nice. I don't think I'm doing that bad of a job considering I've never touched the product before. Leave me a quick comment down below and let me know what you think. How do you think I'm doing so far? I am going to lightly try to file the tip of this while holding it in place still at the same time. I think I can trim it with the clippers. So I'm going to do that just a smidge. Because I kind of don't want it this long to begin with. Whoops. So I'm going to trim it just a hair. Whoops. Same, I cut it down just a smidge. So I don't need to have it so far up the camera. Sure, I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to file up and shape my nail, or the nail. I do have me a trusty little brush. You're gonna need one if you're gonna be doing this. I just want to square off my nail now the best that I can, but this is where I keep breaking them. And I'm not trying to have that happen again. I want to keep these on for a little while and see how it goes, okay? I'll pop off the next one, so I can't remember which one that was. Try for the, oh, here we go. This nail worries me right there that it's going to break. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this right quick and I'll be right back. Alright, when I'm back, what I'm going to do is take some more of the Polygel. I'm going to try to take as little as possible because I'm going to do it twice. I'm going to take a little bit on the top, a little bit on the bottom, and try to fix my nail here so that it does not break on me, because I'm not trying to have it break it. A little bit there. Whoops, it's just oozing all over the place on me. We got a problem, Houston. And I'm going to take a little on the underside as well there. Yeah, we got a big problem. Talk about wasting product. Ugh. So I guess I'm going to make another nail here. Put this out here right quick. Oh, that's a lot of product. Holy cow. I gotta do something with it. I'm trying to clean off my spatula here the best as I can, so I can work on this nail. I need to cure it really quick. So I'm going to stick it in the lamp. I'm going to pause and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've got quite the mess going on, and my video is like at 14 minutes, I think. This one broke at the nail line right across, so I had to try to soak it off, filed it, soaked it. The rest of my thing came out really super nice. Yep, got my phone talking to Princess D. These turned out really cute. Really like the products. Like working with the Polygel, I really do. So I'm going to try to soak this off. I've got another nail sitting up over here to the side. I'm going to try to redo that again. Wish me luck. I got dust everywhere. But yeah, I'm going to call this a day with this video. And no painting today. Just trial and error with the Polygel. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you think I did. I mean, I think I did okay. My first try, you know, trial and error. I did better on the flexi hand though. The flexi hand I had one break off, which was the thumbnail. So here I only had the one this time, but I don't know what I'm doing wrong with that, so I'll figure that out as I go along here. And whoops, I dropped a nail on the floor with the Polygel on it. I got it. So yes, we're coming to the end of the video here. If you're new, please subscribe, ring that bell for me. Leave me a comment down below so I know that you came. If you are a return subscriber, supporter, I appreciate you so much. Thanks for coming and have a blessed day, everyone.